Oh la la, it's like the Sistine Chapel. Very sumptuous. Oh, that's a Christmas tree. Oh, candelabras. What on earth's going on up there? A lot of nude ladies. Bottoms up. He seems to be cracking the whip over there. In here. Route continues. Oh, it's a conservatory with twigs. Oh, oh yes. Tweeting birds. Oh, we've got heating on everywhere. Gosh, balconies over there. Right, royalty.
Get over there.
Yep. Little Dicks. Yep. You belong in Pulford Court, Chester. CH4 9EU. They're obsessed with you. Oh, I say. That's metal. Foliage. What? That's a bit of tits. You a bum or a tit man? Oh wow, I had to throw mine away for that. I had all that. Oh, he's a bit big. You're looking a bit ferocious. Are you Greek or Roman? Huh? Oh well, still flowers. Yes it is. And marble tables. Oh, this one looks like a Roman. Yep. Looks like Medusa, that one. A bit stern and fat, overeaten. Oh my goodness, that's a foot. Oh. That must Must have been a big one. He's nicely manicured. Oh, toadstools. Wow.
It's like have you seen the Egyptian set tents? They regard them onto the route.
That's a bath. That's marble.
Only 3,500 years old.
Wow. Thousands of years old.
Oh, you'll be alright with your asses now, won't you?
Yes.
Just over a year. Yeah. Do you enjoy it? Absolutely. It's not work. I just get them to hang out. It's great. Fantastic.
Oh, sorry. Oh my goodness. Painted ceilings again. Amazing. Bambi. They chopped the real one up. Bambi doesn't have a happy life, really. Oh. Wow. Oh, you got the gallows. Oh, there's some big balls here. Look at the size of that. And mushrooms. Toadstool. Oh, you're cute. Wow. Gosh, and underfloor heating maybe. Look at that. That's just like it's like a cemetery. You get entombed in here. If you lived here, you're entombed. Yeah. Mm. Look at that. Bit of crack shows the patina. Well, this is more splendid at Christmas than coming at any other time. Definitely. Oh, old-fashioned radiators. That's belting out heat, that is. No, that's plugged in. Oh, that's the light. I don't know if they're oil filled. Christmas trees everywhere. There's a lot of activity in these paintings. Oh, la, la. Oh dear. Well, they're not. Oh, can't see much in here now when it's so dark. Oh, well, I'll have to stop after this clock. This is a clock. And look at that. It's actually not ticking to the hour because it's about coming up to 12. And that's not, that says 7 o'clock in the evening. Wow, you've got Hercules. That is Atlas holding up A clock. Oh, that's a peacock. They've done beautiful carving, haven't they? Oh, yes. Oh, God, they've got Christmas trees. Oh, Rapunzel, Rapunzel, let down your hair. Oh. More Christmas trees. What century are you? You look like a bearded, weirdy Essex man. Oh, I got doggy woggies. Paintings. More doggy woggies. There was one coming straight in. Poodle looking doggy woggy. Where's that? Well, serene. Ah, the fireplace. This one isn't on. I had a... Oh, yes. Oh, it's getting dark in there. There's... Let there be light. Have we been in here? Oh, so... Oh, yep, we have seen you again. Yep, close up. He's not circumcised. Oh, yep. Ah, well, you're an Egyptian. With a load of... well... Splendid, splendid. Well, that's it. Crowning glory.